Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? It sounds like pure science fiction, but the reality is even scarier than you might think. Right now, our planet rotates once every 24 hours. At the equator, that means the ground beneath your feet is moving at about 1,000 miles per hour. You don't feel it, because everything around you, the air, the oceans, even your body, is moving along at the same speed. But imagine Earth suddenly slammed on the brakes. The ground would stop, but the atmosphere would keep racing forward at over 1,000 miles an hour. Instantly, hurricane-force winds would rip across the planet. Skyscrapers would be flattened, forests shredded, and entire cities blown away. And that's just the beginning. The oceans would surge out of their basins, creating mega-tsunamis hundreds of feet tall. These waves would race inland, swallowing coastlines and wiping out anything in their path. Now let's talk about day and night. With no rotation, Earth would no longer have a 24-hour cycle. One side of the planet would be locked in permanent sunlight, baking into a lifeless desert. The other side would be trapped in endless darkness, plunging into an icy wasteland. Only a narrow strip of twilight in between might stay habitable. Even the shape of Earth would change. Our planet is slightly flattened at the poles because of its spin. Without that spin, gravity would slowly pull it into a more perfect sphere. The oceans would redistribute, drowning some continents while exposing new land in other places. And what about us? Humanity would be forced to adapt in ways that are hard to imagine. Cities might migrate toward the twilight zone, farming would collapse, and our entire way of life would be rewritten overnight. The good news is, this nightmare scenario can't actually happen. Physics keeps Earth spinning steadily, and there's no realistic way for it to suddenly stop. But thinking about it reminds us just how delicate life on our planet really is. So next time you feel the breeze on your face, remember, you're already flying around the world at 1,000 miles an hour. You just don't notice it.